Once in a bustling city, a boy named Sam lived with his two father figures. His biological father, Mr. Gray, was a teacher with a steady income. His best friend's father, Mr. Carter Commodore, was an entrepreneur who owned several businesses. Mr. Gray was wise in books but struggled with money. He often said, "Study hard, get a stable job and save every penny." Every evening he sat at the dining table, reviewing bills, worried about how to stretch his paycheck until the next month. On the other hand, Mr. Carter was always busy discussing investments and business deals. He told Sam, "Money isn't earned by working hard alone. It's about making your money work for you." Sam often joined him on visits to rental properties or small shops he owned. One summer, both fathers gave Sam a task. Mr. Gray handed him $100 and said, "Save this money for emergencies. Avoid spending it on useless things." Mr. Carter gave him $100 and said, "Find a way to turn this into $200. Look around. Opportunities are everywhere. Sam decided to try both approaches. For the first week, he followed Mr. Gray's advice. He deposited the money into a savings account. Each day, he checked his balance. Though it grew slightly, it didn't excite him. He felt as though the money wasn't doing much. The next week, Sam followed Mr. Carter's advice. He noticed his neighbors often needed help walking their dogs during busy hours. With his $100, he made flyers advertising a dog walking service and bought a leash and treats. Within a month, Sam earned $400. Excited, he shared the news with both fathers. Mr. Gray congratulated him but said, "Don't waste that money. Save it all." Mr. Carter smiled and asked, "What's next? Can you grow it further?" Encouraged, Sam used $200 to hire another friend to expand the service and invested the rest in a small course about managing small businesses. His venture grew, and soon he was managing a small team of dog walkers in his neighborhood. Years later, Sam reflected on what he learned from both fathers. From Mr. Gray, he understood the importance of discipline and saving. From Mr. Carter, he learned to think big, take risks, and let money work for him. Sam eventually started his own company and always carried both lessons with him. He realized that financial success isn't just about earning more, it's about learning, taking action, and building opportunities. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel.